We'll start with this chapter, differentiation. Okay, first of all, we will discuss about the topics which are there in this chapter. Okay, now in this differentiation you have three topics. Sorry, continuity and differentiability. Okay, continuity and differentiability and differentiability. Okay, so in this chapter you have three topics. First is continuity, or I will write just two topics. Okay, continuity. Second is differentiability. Continuity and differentiability. So you have these two topics in this chapter, continuity and differentiability. In continuity, we will check that the function is continuous or not. In differentiability, you need to check that your function is differentiable or not. Okay. So in this topic, differentiability, we have two types of questions where we will check that the function is differentiable or not. Second is you need to differentiate the functions directly by using the formulae which you derive in class 11. I hope everyone remember that in class 11th you have a first principle. Okay, you have a first principle in class 11. So the formulas which you have derived in class 11, that we will use to differentiate the function. So in this topic there are two parts. First is where you need to check that the function is differentiable or not, and that will be related with continuity. Okay, so in this one here, to check that the function is differentiable or not. Differentiable or not. So we will discuss the theory in this topic, where we will check that the function is differentiable or not. We will do the theory over here. Okay, in the second one here, the differentiation, in this topic you just need to directly differentiate the functions. Okay, so I hope now you are aware that in this chapter you have major two topics, continuity and differentiability. Differentiability, we have two types of questions. First, where we need to check that the function is differentiable or not. Here we need to do theoretical part. Second, we have the differentiation. So whatever the formulas you have derived in class 11, we will use in here in the differentiation. Okay, so I'm starting from this differentiation. Once it will be completed, we will do the continuity. Okay, after the continuity, we will do the differentiability, because differentiability is related with continuity. Okay, hope everyone now understood this. Okay, so in this here, in today's class, we will not discuss much theory about the differentiation, because that we will discuss in differentiability. So differentiation. So we will just discuss brief theory about this, and then we will start the questions. So what is a differentiation? Differentiation can be defined as a derivative of a function with respect to an independent variable. What is meant by this? Suppose we have this one, y is equal to fx. Okay, now here the y depends on x. That's why this x is independent variable. And this y is dependent variable, because this depend on x, dependent variable. Okay, so what is the differentiation? It is defined as a derivative of a function. That's mean if y is equal to fx as a function, then we are finding dy by dx. What is mean by dy by dx? Derivative of y with respect to x. What is x here? X is an independent variable. Okay. Okay, so what is the differentiation? Differentiation can be defined as a derivative of a function with respect to an independent variable. Second, let y is equal to fx be a function, then rate of change of y per unit change in x is given by this one. So what is dy by dx? Dy by dx means the rate of change of y with respect to x. Okay. Next, how will we will denote this? So please check here. When a function is denoted as y is equal to fx, the derivative is indicated by the following notation. So the derivative of this function y, this can be represented by this capital dy or dfx, or this dy by dx, which you have done in class 11th, or also by this one. So if fx is a function, then f dash x is also the derivative of the function. Next is the meaning of differentiation is the process of determining the derivative of a function at any point. This we have already discussed in the first line. Okay, so we will not discuss much theory in here. First, we will complete the continuity, and then while starting the differentiability, we will again discuss the theory of this differentiation. Okay, so everyone please note down this and confirm me once it is done. Then we will see the next topic. Everyone, please raise your hands once it is done. Okay, Atif, good. Okay, one more thing, Atif. Okay, Nabil Khan, good. Atif, Noma, and Huzefa, we have completed the relation and functions. So you need to give the test for that. So is it possible for you to give test today? Noma, Atif, and Huzefa?
Sir, can you do it next week? Because in this tomorrow I have to go to India, so it will be a problem. Tomorrow I'll not be able to attend class.
Okay. Noma and Huzefa?
Sir, not possible today.
Not possible. Tomorrow? Okay, you have exam on Monday. Okay. Huzefa? Okay, Noma, next week is fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then Huzefa, Atif, and Noma, please prepare for this chapter. Next Saturday, I will take your test. Okay, that will be subjective. Okay, so please raise your hand if this is done. Okay, Nabil, good. Okay, so thank you everyone. I hope everyone has done this. Okay, Nabil, Noma, and Huzefa. Now, next one. Differentiation formulas. Okay, this you have already done in class 11. We will again discuss these formulas. Now, the first formula is derivative of a constant is 0. So if you have any constant, for example, you're differentiating 5 with respect to x, then you will get a 0. 6 with respect to x, you will get a 0. Okay, so the derivative of constant is 0. Now next one, derivative of x is 1. So if you are differentiating, I will write here. This is what, if you are differentiating k with respect to x, you will get a 0. What is meant by this? If you are differentiating x with respect to x, you will get a 1. Okay, then who can tell me next? Noma. Noma, what's the derivative of sine x?
Cos x.
Very good, cos x. So, okay, we have this formula then. If you have x to the power n, you are differentiating with this with respect to x, so you will get nx n minus 1. Okay, so if anyone have a doubt in this, then please let me know. But you have already done this in class 11. Okay, next is derivative kx means what? Suppose if we have this formula k into x, k is a constant. If you have a variable x and k is a constant, then you will not differentiate this k. This k will remain as it is. You will differentiate x only, and you know that the derivative of x is 1. Then, okay, then we have one more formula, log x. Okay. So always remember, if for the detail of this log, we will discuss later on. Okay. But right now the formula is given. So we will check this formula. Suppose if you have only this log x and nothing, base is not given, then that means base is e. If in a log, the base is not given, then that means base is e. So if you are differentiate, so if you do not have any base here, so that means base is e, and the derivative of log is 1 by x. If no base is given, then your formula is this one. Derivative of log x is 1 by x. Now, if base is something else, for example, here no base is given, that means it is a natural log. Suppose now base a is given, then what is derivative of this? This is equal to 1 by x log a. Okay, so no base is given, that means natural log, so that derivative will be x, 1 by x. If base is something else, then the derivative is 1 by x log b. So I hope this is clear to everyone. So you need to remember this formula. After this, you need to write this formula. Okay, so please note down this, confirm me, and then we will check some more formulas.
Sir,
And
is it 1 by x log of a or 1 by x log of the base a?
which one? This one? No, no, this is log a. No base is given here, so that means natural log. Okay. Okay, Nabil Ahmed. Good. Okay, Nabil and Nabil Khan. Good. Okay, Atif. Good. Noman or Zephyr, please confirm if this is done. Okay, Noma. Okay, Zephyr. Good. Okay, then we will start some more formulas. Okay. Now next is exponential function. Okay, if you have e to the power x, then its derivative will be equal to again the same. Next, okay, now if you have a to the power x, for example, you have 2 to the power x like this. Okay, then its derivative is, I will write a here again. A to the power x log a. Okay. Okay, so please note down these formulas, confirm me, then we will start. We will check some more formulas. Please raise your hands once it is done. Okay, Nabil Ahmed, good. Okay, Noma, good. Okay, Zephyr. Okay, Atif. Okay, so Nabil Khan, this is done. Shall we start next? Okay, Nabil. Thank you. Now, next one. Derivative of sinus cos. Everyone knows this. Good. Now, next is Nabil Khan. What's the derivative of cos x?
Sin x.
Minus sin x. Okay. Now, next is tan x. Who can tell me? Huzafa. Huzafa, what's the derivative of tan? Huzafa, what is the derivative of tan? No. Atif, derivative of tan? Sec square x. Very good, Mama. Good. Next is cosec x. The derivative of cosec is minus cosec x into cot x. Next formula, sec x. Derivative of sec x is sec x into tan x. Next is derivative of cot x is minus cosec square x. So you have done all these formulas in class 11. So all of you please note down this and raise your hand. Then we will start some questions. Okay, Atif. Okay, Nabil. Okay, Nabil. Good. Okay. Josefa and Noma, this is done. Shall we start next? Okay, Josefa. Okay, Noma. Very good. Okay. So we will start next. Differentiate each of the following with respect to x. So first I will give you this question. Y is equal to x to the power 5. Please tell me what is the derivative of this one.
Ix raised to 4.
Very good, Nabil. Good. Everyone, I hope everyone know this, that dy by dx is 5x to the power 4. Okay. Now, next is we will check the product rule. Okay. Next, we will see the product rule. So what is a product rule? If you have two functions, fx and gx, okay, and the two functions are getting multiplied. For example, you have fx and you have gx. If these two functions are getting multiplied and we will differentiate this with respect to x, then what we will get? We will keep fx as it is. We will differentiate the second function plus gx. We will keep this fx as it is. Okay, this is the product rule. If you have two functions fx and gx, then keep this fx as it is, differentiate the gx, plus keep this gx as it is, differentiate the fx. Okay, I hope everyone know this formula. So please try this question, x into sin x, and tell me the answer.
X cos x plus sin x.
X cos x plus sin x. Very good, Nabil. Very good. Everyone, please complete this and share your answer. Good, Atif. Good, Noma. This is correct. Josefa, this is done. Okay, Josefa. Noma, this is completed. Okay, you have already done. So I hope everyone has completed this. Okay, so product rule is clear to everyone. Now, next one. Next is quotient rule. Quotient rule. Okay, so if you have two functions, fx and gx, and these two are in, and these two are in division, fx by gx. Fx is the numerator and gx is the denominator. Okay, then in that case, how we will differentiate this? We will apply the quotient rule. So what's the quotient rule? Gx, derivative of fx with respect to x minus fx with respect, sorry, minus fx, differentiate this gx with respect to x by gx whole square. Okay, so this is the quotient rule. So what you need to do, keep the denominator as it is, multiply that with derivative of fx minus fx, then derivative of gx by gx whole square. So I hope this is clear. You have already done in this in class 11. So please differentiate this x by sin x and tell me the answer.
Sin x minus x cos x by cos square x.
Sin x minus x cos x by sin square x. Very good, Nabil Ahmed. Very good. All of you, please confirm me if you are getting this answer, sin x. Okay, Noma, very good. X into cos x by sin square x.
Or cos square x. Oh, sorry, sin square.
Sin square. Okay, Noma, good. Huzefa, Atif, Nabil Khan, please confirm.
Sir, how did you get x cos x?
Please put in this formula. Keep the fx as it is. What is the fx we have? X. And differentiate the gx. What is gx? Sin x.
Sin x.
Okay, then what you will get? Cos x. You need to differentiate this gx. Is it fine? Nabil?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, good. Okay, Atif, very good. Huzefa, this is done. Huzefa, this is done. Shall we start next? Okay, very good. Next one. Next, we have a very important topic, that is the chain rule. Okay. You have done this chain rule also in class 11. So please check here. If we have this formula, derivative of sin x. Okay, there are two ways to understand this chain rule. First is a direct method, which we are doing right now. Second is by using the composition of a function. But we will try to understand this topic by direct method. Okay, so we know that the derivative of sine is cos. Please check here. Here we have a x and we are differentiating this with respect to x. That's why we can say that the derivative of sine.
So we can't hear you.
Sir, your audio is disconnected.
I'm sorry. Now is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so I was saying that we have a sine. We are differentiating this sine with respect to x. But if you will check this angle, this is x and this is x, then only we can differentiate this sine. And what the answer we will get? We will get a cos. What will be the angle? Angle will remain the same. we will not touch this angle. So please remember that if you're differentiating sine, then the condition is these two should be same. Then only you can differentiate. If these two are different, okay, then you can't differentiate. You can understood this by the lock and key principle. So if this is a log, okay, then if x is a log, then x should be the key of this. Suppose you have this one sine x and we are differentiating this with respect to x squared. This is not possible because these two are different. Okay, so when can we differentiate this sine? When these two angle, sorry, when this x and this x should be same. Now, if we will check a question, suppose if we get this one, y is equal to sine x square. Okay, we need to differentiate this dy by dx with respect to x. Then we will write like this, sine x square with respect to x. Now we can't differentiate this. We can't differentiate this because with sine you have a x square and we are differentiating this with respect to x. So this is not possible. That's why we will apply the chain rule. Dy by dx, this is equal to derivative of sine x square. Okay, so now if x square is the log, then its key is again x square. But finally, we need to differentiate this with respect to x. In the question, we have this one dx. So we need to differentiate this with respect to x. So d of sine x square with respect to x square, then d of x square with respect to x. Okay, now please check here. I already told you that we will differentiate only sine. So you will get a cos. There's no need to note down this question. I will give you another question. Okay, so derivative of sine is cos. What is the angle? Angle will remain the same, x square. Multiply x square with respect to x. What's the answer? 2x. So what's the final answer you will get? 2x cos x square. Okay, I hope everyone understood this. Then please try this question. Y is equal to tan x cube. Okay, and if anyone have a doubt in the previous question or in the chain rule, then please let me know. If everything is clear, then please start the second one.
Three x square sec square x.
Nabil, will you please repeat?
3x square sec
Okay.
square x.
Sec square x cube.
Yes, sir. Sec square
Okay.
x.
Okay. Nabil Ahmed. Very good. So all of you, please complete this and share your answer. You can unmute yourself. You can tell me the answer directly. Okay, Noma, you got the answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, 3x square into sec x cube.
Sec square x cube.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Atif, Huzefa, and Nabil Khan, please share your answer. Okay, Atif, you have already sent me 3x square, x square, x cube. Very good, Atif. Huzefa and Nabil Khan, please confirm your answer.
Sec x square 3x cube.
3x square. Huh? Now, are you getting this? 3x square.
Yeah,
Sec
3x.
square x cube.
Yeah.
Very good. Huzefa, this is done. Huzefa, this is done. Shall we start next? Okay, Huzefa, very good. Now we will check one more question. Third one, y is equal to, okay, first of all, please tell me, who can tell me this? Nabil Khan, what is the derivative of this exponential function? Nabil Khan, what is the derivative of this?
Yes, sir. X to the power n minus 1.
No, it is e to the power x.
E to the power x minus 1.
No, nothing. If you have an exponential function, then its derivative will remain the same. Okay, we have done this. Check here. Okay. Okay. Now please check here. Here the main function is exponential, and in this exponential you have x. So please check here, if you are differentiating exponential, then the condition is this x and this should be same. This x and this should be same. Then only we can differentiate, and what the answer we will get? We will get exponential. This x will remain the same. We will not touch this. Okay, so the main function is e. Inside this e you have a x, so these two should be same. Again, if this is a log, then if x is a log, then its key is again x. Now next one, y is equal to, for example, we have e x to the power 4. We need to differentiate this with respect to, x. Okay, so d e x to the power 4. Okay, now if you will check that, then this is a log, and this is the key. This is our key. So if log is x to the power 4, then the key can't be x. So we can't differentiate this one. So what we will do, we will apply the chain rule. Now with respect to what, if this is x to the power 4, we will differentiate this with respect to x to the power 4. If we'll check the question, then finally we need to differentiate it with respect to x. So we will differentiate x to the power 4 with respect to x. You will keep on differentiating till the time you will not get a dx. Okay, now what is the derivative of exponential? Same, we will not touch its power, so this remain the same. Now we will differentiate x to the power 4, so you will get a 4x cube. Okay, so is it clear to everyone? Please raise your hand. No need to note down this, I will give you a fresh question. Okay, Atif, good. Okay, Nabil, Huzaifa, Nabil Khan, Noma, this is clear. Okay, Nabil, good. Okay, Noma, Huzaifa, this is clear. Okay, so I hope this is clear to everyone. Please try question number 4 and share your answer.
Two e raised to 2x.
Okay, Nabil, so your answer is 2 e raised power 2x. Very good. This is correct. All of you,
The
please.
same answer.
Good, Noma. Very good. So good, Atif. This is correct. So Nabil Khan and Huzaifa, please confirm if you're getting the same answer.
Yeah, 2e to the power 2x.
Very good, Nabil. Huzaifa, are you getting the same answer? Okay, okay, very, very good. Okay. Now we will take a complicated question. Now we will take 3 functions. Okay. So y is equal to sine exponential to the power x cube. Please try this question and let me know the final answer, or tell me if you have any doubt in this.
So 3x square into ex cube.
3x
3x square cos ex cube and 2 into ex cube.
So I will write your ex cube here. Are you, Noma, are you getting the same answer? I guess you missed this cost part.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So this is the final answer. So Atif, Huzaifa, and
Same
Nabil
answer.
Khan. Okay, very good, Atif. Huzaifa and Nabil Khan, please confirm. Zephyr and
Sir,
Nabil
just cos EXQ, right?
Khan. Yes, cos EX cube,
Yeah.
3x square and EX cube. Are you getting this?
No, sir.
No? Okay, okay. No issue. I will solve this. Please check here dy by dx. So this, we will differentiate this sine EX cube with respect to x. Then dy by dx is equal to, now we will check this. We need to differentiate first of all this sine EX cube with respect to what? This, please check here. This is the log, then its key is again EX cube. Now next we need to differentiate EX cube with respect to, now here this is the log, so its key is x cube. Then x cube with respect to x. So what you will get here, you will get a cos. Then here you will get a EX cube into 3x squared. This is clear to everyone, to Nabil Khan. Okay, Nabil, this clear
sir.
now?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
okay, very good. So Nabil, please note down this and confirm me. Then we will start some more questions. This is done?
Yes, sir.
No. Okay, Nabil, very good. Okay, so this question you can do. This is a very simple question. Leave this, leave this one. Okay, next, try to do this one, third one, tan 3x. You can directly tell me the answer.
3 sec square x.
Very good. Answer is 3 sec square 3x. Okay, everyone is getting the same answer?
Yes.
Okay, absolutely good. Nabil Khan, Huzaifa, and Noma getting the same one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Okay, Nabil, very good. Huzaifa getting the same answer? Huzaifa. Okay, very good. Then please try this question. Y is given. You need to prove this one. Okay, dy by dx plus y square plus 1. So first of all, find the dy by dx here. Then put in this equation and let me know if you will get the 0 here. And if anyone have a doubt, then please let me know. I will solve. If anyone have a doubt, then please let me know. Okay, Atif, very good. If anyone is facing any problem in this question, then please let me know. I will solve it. Okay. Okay, Nabil, very good. Okay, I'm again saying if anyone is facing an issue, then please let me know. I will solve it. Noma, is it done? Okay, Noma, very, very good. Huzaifa and Nabil Khan, this is done. Huzaifa and Nabil Khan, any doubt in this question? Huzaifa and Nabil. Okay, then Huzaifa, please complete it and share your answer. And Nabil Khan, this is done, or you have a doubt in this? Nabil, please unmute yourself. This is done, or you have a doubt in this one? Nabil, either reply me on the chat box, okay? Or unmute yourself. Huzaifa, please confirm me once it is done, okay? Or any doubt in this question? Okay, Huzaifa, very good. So Nabil, I'm not sure, I'm not getting reply from you. This is done, or you have a doubt in this question? If you have a doubt, then I can solve this. Okay. Nabil, please confirm me, Nabil Khan. Okay, rest of you, Nabil, sorry, are you saying something? Okay, so rest of you can start this question. Please try this and let me know if anyone have a doubt in this one. Okay, just try to think that how you will get a sec square. I will give you 2 minutes for this. Please analyze it and let me know that how can you prove this one. Okay, so there's no need to complete this question. Just tell me the first step. What is your approach in this question? You have a y. Similar question was there in the previous slide. Now here you need to tell me how you will get a sec square. Okay. Noma, very good. Your approach is correct. Okay, Atif,
Sir, tan square x, right?
yeah, tan square, we need a sec squares, then definitely here we need a tan x. Okay, so Noma, your approach
Yeah.
is, yeah, your approach is fine. Atif, this is good, but if you will put in place of x tan theta, then it will become more complicated because we don't have an inverse here. Okay, Atif, so your approach is fine that we need tan here. So please check here. If in a question they are saying that find dy by dx, then it's your wish. You can use any method and you can find dy by dx, that is fine. But if in a question they are saying that prove this, then please focus on the result. Okay, because different approach will give you a different answer. So if we need a sec square and you will differentiate this directly, if you will differentiate this directly, then this question will become of the previous type. You know that if you will differentiate this, you will never get a tan sec square. Okay. Now here, so that means first of all, we need to change this into tan form. Then we need to differentiate this. One more thing, in the angle, you have x plus pi by 4. In the angle, you have x plus pi by 4, while in the question, we don't have this angle, x plus pi by 4. So that means what? We need in place of this tan x, we need here tan x, as well as in the angle, we need x plus pi by 4. So we need to check how we will get this. Noma, Atif, and Huzaifa, you can guess that how we will get this one. Anyone can tell me because you have already done the inverse. So in inverse, we have done a question like this. So can you tell me, Noma, Atif, and Huzaifa, how we will get a tan?
Divide by cos x.
Very, very good. Very good. Good, Atif. Now please check here. So we have decided that we need a tan here, and in the angle we need x plus pi by 4. Now what is the formula of tan A plus B? Who can tell me? Atif Ahmed, can you tell me? Sorry, Nabil Ahmed, can you tell me what is the formula of tan A plus B?
Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B.
Very, very good. So I hope this formula is clear to everyone. Okay, tan A into tan B. Now we have this tan x plus pi by 4. If we will open this, we will apply the formula of A plus B, then we will get a tan x plus tan pi by 4 by 1 minus tan x into
And
tan pi by 4. Now tan x is tan x. What is pi by 10 pi by 4? That is 1, because 10 pi by 4 is 1045 and the 45 value is 1. 1 minus tan x, and this tan pi by 4 is again 1. So we will get this tan x plus 1 by 1 minus tan x. Now, if you will check this one, cos x plus sin x by cos x minus sin x. If you will check this, then from this, how we will get this expression? Then from this, how we will get this? Please check here. Here we have a cos plus sin. If we will divide the numerator and denominator by cos, if we will divide the numerator and denominator by cos, then what we will get? We will get like this: cos x plus sin x by cos x
cos.
by cos x minus sin x by cos x. So separate this, what you will get: cos x by cos x plus sin by cos by cos x by cos minus sin by cos. Now what is cos by cos? 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x. Now we get this one. Now from this expression, how we will get this? In place of 1, we will put pi by 4. So in place of this one, we will put tan pi by 4 minus tan x, sorry, plus tan x. And the denominator 1 will remain as it is. Here we can write 1 into tan x will again give us tan x. So here we, in place of this one, we can write tan pi by 4 into tan x. Okay, so now what's the formula of this? Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan B. 1 minus tan A into tan B. So here we can write tan pi by 4 plus x. Now what we get? Y is equal to this one. We get y this. Now you can differentiate this one and you will get your answer. Okay, so if you need to prove something, so please first of all check the result. And as per your result, try to differentiate it. So please note down this and differentiate it and confirm me. If anyone still have a doubt, then please let me know. Okay, Nabil, very good. Okay, Noma, very good. Rest of you, please confirm. Okay, Nabil, very good. Huzaifa and Atif, please confirm if this is done. Atif and Huzafa, this is done. Shall we start next?
Yes.
Okay, good. Huzafa, this is done. Huzafa, shall we start next? Or any doubt in this? Okay, Huzafa, very good. So, okay. Now, leave this. This we have already done. Okay. Okay, try this one, question number 4. Okay. Just you need to apply the simple chain rule. Please solve it and share your answer.
3 cos 3x by sin 3x.
Very good. Now, please, Nabil Ahmed, write this cos by sine cot. Okay.
Yes,
Very good. This is correct. Good. Okay, Atif, very good. Huzaifa, Nabil Khan, Noma, this time. Huzaifa, Nabil, Noma, this is time. Okay, Noma, very good. Huzaifa and Nabil, this time. Okay, Nabil, very good. Huzaifa, okay, Huzaifa, then please complete it or let me know if you have any doubt in this one. Okay. Yes, Huzaifa, I will. Please check here. So we have this one, y is equal to log sine 3x. So we need to differentiate this with respect to x. Okay, so whoever please analyze this. First, you have a log. Inside the log, you have a sign, and inside this sign, you have a 3x. So first, we will focus on log. So first, we will need to differentiate this log sine 3x. Okay. Now, with log, we have this formula. Derivative of log is 1 by x, but the condition is these two should be same. Here, if we need to differentiate it, then this is sine, then we will differentiate this with respect to sine. Okay. Next, Josefa, what we will do, we will differentiate this sine with respect to, okay, Josefa, please tell me, we will differentiate this with respect to what? Josefa, we need to differentiate this with respect to what? No, not x. Please check here. Here you have a 3x. So with respect to 3x. Then finally, you need to differentiate 3x with respect to x. Okay. Now, so the derivative of log is 1 by x. So what is the derivative of this? Derivative of log sine 3x? Zephyr, you can unmute yourself. Okay, we can say 1 by sine 3x. Derivative of sine is cos 3x. Derivative of 3x is 3. So what we will get? 3 into what is cos by sine? Cot. Cot 3x. Zephyr, this is clear now? Very good. So Zephyr, please note down this and raise your hand. Then we will start the next question. Josefa, shall we start next? Okay, Josefa, very good. So fourth is done. Please try question number fifth. Okay.
Three x square by log x cube into log x cube into x cube.
Very, very good, Nabil. This is correct. Very good. So all of you, please let me know the answer once it is done. Okay. And you can unmute yourself and tell me the answer directly. There's no need to type all these in chat.
Sir, I did not get it.
Okay, Nabil, I will help you. Okay, so Nabil, please check here. Y is equal to log x cube. Okay, next dy by dx. So I'm directly applying the chain rule. Okay, Nabil, I will miss one step. I will directly apply chain rule. Now, first of all, Nabil, you need to check that in this log, we have the first main function this, and inside this log, you have this one. You have this log x. So inside this log, you have x. So for example, you have this log sine x. Then your main function is log, and inside this log, you have a sine. Similarly, the main function is log. Inside this log, you have this complete function. And if you will check the bracket, then in this log, we have then another function log x cube. Inside this log, we have this. So first, we need to differentiate this part. So Nabil Khan, can you tell me that with respect to what we can differentiate it?
Log x cube.
Uh, is it not log
Log
x?
x cube, yeah.
Very, very good, Nabil. Very good. Now, Nabil, please tell me that we have log x cube. Okay.
Log x cube.
Very good. Log x cube. Then finally, log x cube with respect to
X cube.
very good.
Okay.
Then x cube with respect to
X.
very good x. So
Yeah.
we will keep on differentiating till the time we will not get a x. Now, Nabil, please tell me what is the derivative of this first one? What's the derivative of this one? Please check here. Derivative of log is 1 by x. So whatever the function you have after log, that will come over here. Now, can you tell me?
Yeah, 1 by log.
1 by. So we have this log. With this, you have these three functions. So log x cube. Okay. Then what's the derivative of second one?
Then 1 by log x cube.
Very good. 1 by log x cube. Then what's the derivative of log x cube?
1 by x cube.
Very good. 1 by x cube. And what's the derivative of x cube?
X.
3x squared.
X.
Okay, so this can get cancelled. So finally, you will get a 3 in the numerator. In the denominator, you have a log. You have a log x cube into log x cube. Okay. So everyone, please let me know. Nabil has already done. Atif, Huzefa, Noma, this is done. Are you getting the same answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Noma, very good. Atif, this done.
So there should be an x in the denominator, right?
Sorry.
It should be 3 by x log x cube, right?
Okay, I missed something. Yes, sorry. This is x. Okay. I missed it. So this is x square into x cube. This is x cube There's x square. So x square and this will be cancelled. So you will get this one. Okay. Josefa, this is clear? Josefa, yes or no? Josefa, if you have any doubt, then please let me know. Okay, so everyone please do this and we will start next question. Josefa, we are going to start next question. Okay, if you have any doubt, then please let me know. Okay, Josefa? Is it clear, Josefa? Okay, Josefa, I'm going to erase this one. Please let me know. Is it done? Okay, Josefa, please try next one. Okay, this question is your homework. There's a very, very simple question. Sixth question is your homework. Okay, please note down this question. And this week, please complete the homework. Now, please first do the differentiation, then do the inverse homework. Okay. First, please complete the differentiation homework. Please raise your hand if this is done. Question number 6, you have noted down. Then we will start the next question. Okay, Josefa, very good. Okay, Nabil, okay, Noma, Atif. So I hope everyone has done this. We are going to start next one. Explicit and implicit, do you have the time? Let me check. Okay. Now, what is explicit and what is the implicit function? Okay, we will check here. There's a new topic for you. You have not done this in class, which class 11th. Okay, so we have then explicit and implicit function. Now, suppose you have this one, y is equal, y plus x is equal to x square. So you can shift this x to the right side and you can write y is equal to x square minus x. This is called explicit function. Okay, what is explicit? If it is possible for you to write y in terms of x, if you can write y completely in terms of x, then you will say that this function is explicit function. For example, here we have shift all the complete x expression to the right side. So we will say that this is explicit. We will now take one more example, y plus sine xy plus x square is equal to 0. Now, please try to write this y completely in terms of x. Please try to write this y completely in terms of x. So what the option you have, you can shift this term to the right side, minus x square minus sine x y. You can write like this, okay? But if you will check here, we have a y here. So for this expression, it is not possible for us to write completely y in terms of x. So these types of functions, these are called the implicit function. Implicit function. Okay. So what are explicit function? The function where it is possible for us to write y completely in terms of x. Those are called explicit. What are implicit? The function. There's no need to note down this. Okay. I will give you the time for this. What are implicit function? Where it is not possible for us to write y completely in terms of x. Okay. Now, who can tell me this again? Nabil Khan. Nabil, can you tell me what are explicit function and what are implicit functions?
Yes, sir. Explicit functions are functions in which we can write y in terms of x completely.
Very good.
And in implicit function, it is not possible.
Very, very good, very good. So I will erase this. We will check the definition. Okay, the same thing, but in a different way. When a relationship between x and y is expressed in such a way that it is easy to solve for y and write y is equal to fx. The same thing which we have checked in the example. We say that y is given as an explicit function. So here you can write an example. Y plus x square is equal to x. Okay, this is explicit. Next is implicit. What is implicit? When a relationship between x and y is expressed in a way such that it is not possible or convenient uh, to write here to okay. To solve for y and write y is equal to fx, we will say that y is an implicit function. Write an example. Y plus sine xy is equal to x square. Okay, please note down this definition. Write the example, raise your hands, then we will start some questions. So everyone, please raise your hands. Once it is done, then we will see that how can we differentiate the implicit function, because till now we have just differentiated the explicit function. Very good, Nabil. Okay, Noma, very good. Atif, Huzefa, Nabil Khan, please confirm if it is
Yes,
done.
sir.
Okay, Atif, good. Huzefa and Nabil Khan, this done?
Yes, sir, it's done.
Oh, good. Huzefa, this done? Okay, okay, very good, Huzefa. Now we will check that how can we differentiate the implicit function. Okay, now this is not an implicit function, but we will apply the same method in every other question. So if you will get an implicit function, then ultimately what you need, dy by dx. In all the implicit function, you just need dy by dx. So whatever the equation you have, differentiate. Okay, for every implicit function, there is no need to shift anything. Differentiate one with respect to x. So what you will get? Derivative 2x with respect to x plus, okay, this with respect to x, this with respect to x. Just differentiate it. Whatever the function you have, differentiate the complete. Now, what is the derivative of this? Who can tell me? Atif. Atif, what's the derivative of 2x? Very good. 2. Now, please check here. Here you have 3. So 3 will shift to the left side and rest is dy by dx. Okay, is equal to, what's the derivative of sine? Cos. What we need in this question, dy by dx, now shift all the terms to the right side. So what you will get, shift this 2. So you will get 3 dy by dx is equal to cos x minus 2. Now shift this 3. So you will get dy by dx is equal to cos x minus 2 by 3. Okay, so this is your answer. So whatever the function you have, if you have an implicit function, just differentiate the complete expression. Take dy by dx common. If there are 2 dy by dx, shift all the terms to the right side. That will be your answer. Okay, so all of you, please note down this, then raise your hand. We will try one more question. Okay, Nabil, very good. How is it? Yes, Noma, you are correct. This is not an implicit function. Okay, but the same approach you need to apply in the implicit function. Okay, so this is the method. We will check some questions which are implicit and please apply the same method in all the questions. Okay. Okay, Nabil, very good. Atif, Zephyr, please raise your hand if this is done. Atif and Huzefa, please raise your hand. Okay, Huzefa. Okay, Atif, very, very good. Now I will give you one more question. Yes. Now try this second one and share your answer.
Sir, second one is 2 by cos y minus 3.
Okay, Nabil, will you please repeat your answer?
2 by cos y minus 3.
2 by cos y minus 3. Let me solve it. Okay, I will wait for this. Atif, Zephyr, Nabil Khan, Noma.
Sir,
Please.
cos y minus 3 by 3.
Cos y minus 2 by 3.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, Nabil, we will check.
Cos y minus 3 by 2.
Cos y minus 3 by 2. Okay, Noma. So who is left? Atif and Josefa. Will you please share your answers so that I can check?
So 2 by cos y minus 3.
Okay. Josefa, is it done? Is it done, Josefa? Okay, very good. Now please check here. You need to differentiate this. Okay, so differentiate the complete expression with respect to x. Now, what's the derivative of 2x? 2. What's the derivative of 3 dy by dx? Now, who can tell me what is the derivative of this sine y with respect to x? Who can tell me this?
Cos y dy by dx.
Very, very good, Nabil Ahmed. Very good. This is correct. Atif, Nabil Khan, Noma, Josefa, are you getting the same answer?
So can't we
Then what
differentiate
answer?
y?
Can't we differentiate this with respect to?
Y.
Okay, we will check. No, we can't, because in the question it is written that find dy by dx. So you need to differentiate the complete expression with respect to x. Okay, Noma?
Okay. Sir.
Okay, Atif, what's your doubt?
Nothing, sir. Continue.
Okay. Now please check here. We need to differentiate this sign. Then again, lock and key. This is your lock. Then you need to differentiate this with respect to what? Noma?
Respect to y.
Okay. Who has given this answer? Nabil Khan?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Very good. So all of you, please check here. This is your lock. Why is the lock? So key is y. So you need to differentiate this with respect to y. But finally, we need to differentiate with respect to x. That's why we will differentiate this with respect to x. This is a very important step. This is clear? Atif, Noma, Josefa?
So please repeat once again.
Yes. Noma, please check here. In this step, we are differentiating sine y with respect to x. Okay. But please check here. This is sine y. So this is your lock. This is lock. So what's the key of this? You can't differentiate this directly. Y can't be differentiated with respect to x, sine y. So we will differentiate this with respect to
Y.
y. Now it is fine. But finally, we need to differentiate this with respect to
X.
x. So we have written this sine y dy by dx.
Okay, sir.
Now 2 plus 3 dy by dx is equal to, now Noma, what's the derivative of sine y?
Cos Y.
Very good. Cos y dy by dx. Okay. Now shift this term to the left side. So we have this here 3 dy by dx minus cos y dy by dx is equal to minus 2. So take dy by dx common from here. So you will get what? 3 minus cos y is equal to minus 2. Now shift this term to the right side. So you will get dy by dx is equal to minus 2 by 3 minus cos y. Is it clear? Noma, Atif, Huzafa, Nabil, is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
great.
sir.
Okay, great. Huzafa, now, Huzafa, are you getting the same answer? Okay, very good, Huzafa, then very good. So all of you, please note down this, confirm. Okay, raise your hand. Then we will check the third question. Okay, Nabil, very good. So Atif and Oma, shall we start next? Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay, good. So this is the last question of today's class. Okay. Please try this one. Nabil, is it done? Nabil Ahmed, this is done?
No, sir, just a minute.
Okay.
Sir, a by minus sine y minus 2 by.
So you're getting a by
minus sine y minus
Minus.
2by.
minus 2by. Let me check.
So
Yes.
minus a by 2 by plus sin y.
This is of Nabil. Okay, Atif, what the answer you're getting?
So minus a by 2 by minus sin y.
2by plus sine y. This one?
Plus sin y, yes, plus sin y. Yes, I think it's the same thing as the
Then
above answer.
yes. Both are same. Good. Huzefa, Noma, Nabil Khan, this done.
Yes.
Okay, Nabil, very good. Huzefa and Noma, this time. Noma, sorry, your voice is not audible. This time.
Sir, I'm getting dy square.
Okay. Let me solve this. Huzefa, this. Okay, Huzefa, this time. Very good. So please check here. Differentiate complete with respect to x. By square with respect to x. Cos y with respect to x. Now, this will give you a. Here the constant is b, so you're differentiating y squared with respect to x. Here again, we will apply the chain rule. So first with respect to y, then y with respect to x. Now this is a, this is b. So this is dy squared. We will first of all differentiate this with respect to dy, then dy by dx. Okay, this is equal to. What is the derivative of cos? Minus sine dy by dx. Next is a plus b. What is derivative of y squared? 2y. Dy by dx is equal to minus sine y dy by dx. Take this dy by dx to the left side. So this becomes 2by dv by dx plus sine y dy by dx is equal to minus a. Okay. Take this dy by dx common. So what you will get? 2by plus sine y is equal to minus a. Now shift this to the right. So dy by dx is equal to minus a by minus a by 2by plus sine y. Okay. So I hope this is clear to everyone. Noma, now is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So Zephyr, you have already messaged me that this is done. Okay, then We will end our class. Please note down the homework. One question I've already given you from the PPT. Second, please do assignment 1. Okay. Then we have completed assignment question based on assignment 2. Then we have already done 4. So you can complete 3 assignments, 1, 2, and 4. Okay, so please try to do this. Then we
Where
will.
are the assignments, sir? Like
Okay,
WhatsApp?
okay. Nabil, we have a WhatsApp group and we will also upload on the portal. So I will ask the team to add you in the group so you can find out this assignment. So you need to check the heading continuity and differentiability. Continuity and differentiability.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And you can also find this on the portal. So hopefully today they will upload it on your portal, these assignments. So please complete it. Tomorrow, first we will discuss your doubts. Then we will start the new topic. So Josefa, Noma, and Atif, I already told you in relation and functions that in relations, we have done most of the question in class only. But here in this chapter, you need to complete the questions in homework.